Somebody asked me what I'm doing here. These are the wipers that go in the front of the track that wipe the track. They're soaked in transmission fluid. And they just keep the tracks clean. I have a set of wipers on the other end that are actually oak blocks that scrape it. So I never get any problems with buildup on my wheels. I know some people have said they do. I don't. Welcome back to the Sawmill, guys. I'm Jerry, and I have this red oak on here, and I have 5 red oak logs I have to do for a customer at 8 foot. This one is 17 inches, which should be about 84 board feet. We should get 12, 13 inch cant, member 0.707. It's going to be heavy. I have the tractor, the Mahindra 1533, parked right there, ready to turn it if I can't turn it with the log cant, which I'm probably not going to be able to. This is going to be a heavy log. I didn't check to see how much it weighs. But I have the stem. This is the bottom stem. I have the centers lined up. And then I have the preceding top stems. 3 more after this one. And then a shorter, it looks like about 6 footer, I'll make his stickers for. So he wants 1 inch boards because he wants to eventually plane them down to 3/4. So here we go. 17 inches on the small end. It is big on this side. This is a big one. This side is 22. It's got a big swoop, you know, being at the bottom. Okay, oh, I wanted to see how high I need to be with my first cut. 19. How about an 8? How about 18? 17 inches. I have a Jerry's Ripper 37 on there, a brand new one. This is day 2. I've only got a little over, almost 2 hours into the first couple of logs. I got 3 more to do, probably an hour and a half left out here. Okay, let's get this party started. Sure does cut nice. Water's going. Oh, there we go. Got to make a little more clearance. goes up on an angle, so as the boards come up, you get second boards that hit that angle. Just pull them over a little. Get a couple more in there. Okay, guys, the rains came, but we got her done. 400 and almost 450 board feet. So he should be pretty happy with it. Yeah, good day. He got 1-inch boards, and I got all the stickers. I had a problem, guys, with the a file when I was cutting all the stickers over here. Right there. I was cutting those stickers, and the file says corrupt when I went to go look at it. Now, also, this is the second time I've made this exit. The first time, I didn't have enough battery left in my camera. So, we're done. That's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, this Abby, come here. Come here. Say hi. Not you. I smell a skunk. Not sure exactly. Must be a skunk pretty local around here. I was wondering if she got it. You didn't get into one. You're a good dog. You're all right. Yeah. There she is. Hey, Abby. Hi, come here. Come here. Come on. Yeah, she's a good dog. All right, guys. I'll try this again. Have a great day. Take care. See ya.